Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode opens up with Usipho. It looks like he just came back from work. Ukhathele ungene ekamereni lakhe. Bathi tlatla. When he's opening the door, Ufito Velephi, she is laying there on the bed. She is ready for her man, you guys. So Usipho Megangena, obviously he's not expecting Velephi because Velephi, kunesingcwabo kini. So what are you doing here endodeni? So Usipho's like, how? Vele, kantulana. Uvelephi's like, yeah, baby. Usipho's like, indaba, khona into wrong ngumangoba, like asking ukuthi like indaba, like, why are you here ngalesi sikhathi? Uvelephi's like, Sipho, yazi akuyona indlela right yokubingelela umuntu ofuna umshada leyo. Usipho's like, how? Bengicabanga ukuthi umatasa ngamalungiselelo lekini. Uvelephi's like, yeah, vele, I'm supposed to be ekhaya kodwa nje ngizizwe nje ngi-overwhelmed ngathi angivele ngizobona or angivele ngizobona indoda yami nje. So Usipho just stares there. He doesn't even know what to say. Uvelephi's like, yini? Sondela phela. She pulls him. She's like, awuyeke uzenze umuntu onamahloni lana. Usipho's like, sithanda sami angicabanga ukuthi kungumbono omuhle lowo baby. Uvelephi's like, indaba ubona ingathi ngizokuthelela ngebhadi yini? Usipho's like, cha, kodwa yazi if ubaba angangena lana, he'd lose his mind. Abanga futhi ubaba setshela abantu babalaye about this whole thing, baby. At this point, Uvelephi is really irritated that Usipho is not feeling her the way she thought or the way he's supposed to feel her. She's like, Sipho, ngizocela indawo yokulala for namhlanje ebusuku noma usuku olulodwa nje ngizolala phansi. Usipho just stands there and he keeps quiet. Then Uvelephi's like, okay ke yazini ulungile ngizokushada. Usipho's like, sithanda sami. Uvelephi's like, uma nje wena uyavuma ukuthi ngilale lana ebusuku or usuku olulodwa, then ngizokushada Sipho. Usipho's like, hey baby, like iyahalisa leyo nto kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi umndeni wakho uyakudinga njengamanje. Ngizokubona kusasa yezwa baby. Uvelephi's like, yazini angazi ukuthi bengizixakelani, useless wena yezwa. She just gets up from the bed. Usipho's like, how yini manje? Uvelephi's like, ayikho nje indaba yakho. Futhi yazini Sipho, ngicabanga ukuthi sokuyisikhathi sokuthi ngizitholele indoda yamampela ezokwazi ukuthi inakekele iy'dingo zami. Usipho's like, angizwanga. Uvelephi's like, nca, yazini wena. She just gets out and she leaves Usipho like that. Usipho's like, hayi bo, weveli. I'm just like, yo, I should be. That's how I said, you see, this relationship, Usipho really needs to move on. Because Uvelephi, the way she uses this guy, because she knows very well that this guy loves her. We as fair langai. Next scene, kwaZamini mansion ekuseni kudliwe breakfast. Uvusi benogcina bayafunzana laphayana. They are feeding one another, busy being lovey-dovey. Uwenzeni, it's just the three of them etafuleni. Nothulisile who is busy serving them. Uwenzeni is like, hayi kahle Vusi, like indaba ningahambi niyokwenza nezinto zenu ekamereni. Ngizama ukudla lana Vusi. Then uQhina's like, how sorry Wenzeni, and they busy laughing there, busy lovey-dovey there in front of Wenzeni. Uvusi's like, okay ke woza ke nawe ngikufunze ke ungasali. He takes the fork, he's trying to feed Wenzeni there, and he's like, woza. Wenzeni's like, awukahle Vusi, awukahle. Uvusi's like, woza phela ngithi you feeling jealous and feeling left out. As they doing that, uNjengaya walks in. UNjengaya like, sawubona mndeni wami omuhle. Uvusi's like, sawubona baba. Then UNjengaya's like, where's the main man? Ukhuluma ngoThemba. Then everyone just keeps quiet. Then uNjengaya looks at uThuli. He's like, Thuli, uphi uThemba? uThuli's like, yebo ukhona sekavukile. And then uNjengaya's like, how? Bengisaqala ungilandele yena ukuthi he must come down and eat breakfast with the rest of the family. uThuli then says, baba, uthe akathanda ukudla nani, uzodlela ekamereni lakhe yedwa. And then everyone just looks at uWenzeni because they know very well the reason why uThemba doesn't want to come down is because of uWenzeni. uWenzeni looks at uNjengaya. She's like, baba, yazi angithandanga ngempela into engiyenzile. Bengicela uzame bandla ukukhuluma noprincipal, ngiyazi ukuthi uzokulalela wena. Unjengaye just looks at uWenzeni, he's like ngithi ngikwenzelani ke lokho. uWenzeni is like angifuni baba uThemba afele amaqala ami futhi nje ngiyafisa ukuthi if ngingayilungisa yonke lento, if it was possible, I would switch places. uThemba would go to school and I would stay home. So uThemba obviously guys is not going to school because he's been suspended. uWenzeni, she's been going to school as normal. So she's saying if it was possible, she would switch positions and she would be the one suspended, not going to school. But Njengaye just looks at uWenzeni, he's annoyed, and then he just ignores her. And then uWenzeni is like, Baba. And then Njengaye just ignores her like that. Next scene, guys, kwambambo is pity. Kugcwele abantu, yazi ke mokungcwaka, there's people who are cooking, there's people who are doing whatnot. So Mandulo there, she's busy, she's like, hawu ntombazana, she's speaking to some girl, olethe ikhabishi. She's like, hawu ntombazana, siyabonga, bengicela ukuthi unikeze omama abaqobayo. Then she's like, dala bekulindile balaphayana ekitchen. Then she's like, Sibongile, uphi uSibongile? Hi, boss Sibongile. uSibongile, guys, bathroom, utafana ne-phone. You can see ukuthi she doesn't have a charge of her phone, so she has to go to the bathroom just to press her phone. So when she hears Mandulo calling her, Mandulo is like, where's Sibongile? Nike nambona uSibongile. uSibongile comes out nendishi-ke. Comes out of the bathroom, nendishi, then uMandulo is like, oh, kulungile, sesiyahamba ke manje, siyomgeza, beka indishi ngalana. uSangweni yena, uphi, uke wambona? Bhuti, speaking to uVuma, Bhuti, uye wambona uSangweni? Sangweni. uVuma says, mageza angizange ngimbona uSangweni. uMandulo is like, Sangweni, uphi uSangweni? uSibongile is like, nangu uSangweni. uMandulo is like, Sangweni, hamba phela uyothatha impahla zikanyoko. Mele sambe siyomgeza manje. As they speaking like that, uSamke walks in. uSamke is like, ngayomgeza nami if ayikho inkinga. Everyone keeps quiet because it's awkward. uSamke is not really family, you guys. uSangweni is like, hayi ngebhadi-ke ikhona inkinga ngaleyo nto. uMandulo is like, yeyi wena. She's saying to uSangweni, yeyi wena. She looks at uSamke, she's like, hayi sisi, akunankinga singahamba siyomgeza. Angithi nawe ngumuntu wesifazana vele. Wena Sangweni, hamba ufuna uCheckers, ufaka kuCheckers ingubo zikamawapho. uVuma then says, sisi, akumelanga ukuthi uVelephi ahambe nani. uMandulo says, we, angimazi ke loyo, sukele ekuseni nje, uvele wanyamalala nje. uVuma then looks at uSibongile, is like, Sibongile, uphi kanti usisi wakhe? Awumfune. uSibongile is like, angimazi baba, kodwa awuthi ngizama ukumfonela. So uSibongile takes out her phone. As she's taking out her phone, she walks out. As she's about to walk out the door, ungene uVelephi. Velephi walks in. uVelephi is like, indaba yini? Ngibona nizama ukungifonela lana. That time uVelephi, guys, akathwalanga enhloko. There's no duke on her clothes. She on her head. The clothes she's wearing some tight dress that looks nice on her. It looks like she's going on a date nje. Not ukuthi like ushoniwe la ekhaya. uMandulo's like, hayibo, siyogeza unyoko manje eVelephi, uzohamba nathi or what? And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene there we see uSamke kwambalenhle, she is sweeping the floor, and then uSangweni walks in. uSangweni comes in, he's like, we mama, awungitshele kahle yini oyifunayo kumina ngempela. uSamke turns around and looks at uSangweni. She's like, yini kwenzenjani? uSangweni is like, yazi bengisazi ukuthi ungumuntu umuntu wesifazana okhohlakele, kodwa sowungazi untshontshela umuntu wesifazana ongasekho. uSamke is like, yindaba. She's looking confused like, ayibo, lengane ikhuluma ngani? waze wavelelwa guys uSamke. uSangweni then says, weSamke, ungenaphi wena nokugezwa komzimba wama? uSamke is like, Sangweni, yinto eyenziwayo njena lena. uSangweni then says ukuthi yinto eyenziwayo kuphi? uSamke is like, ubuntu nje. uSangweni is like, ubuntu bani loyo? ngitsheleke, where was that ubuntu bakho uma exoshwa emzini wakhe? Where was ubuntu bakho ngaleso sikhathi? I'm like, bandla, uSamke was not even eXhobo ngaleso sikhathi. uSamke is like, ngiyazi ukuthi ubuhlungu Sangweni, bengisacela nje uhambe uyochitha isikhathi nomndeni wakho during this difficult time. uSangweni is like, oh, usuyaqhubeka ke la ugcine khona futhi. Phezu kwalokho ufuna ukwenza umsebenzi wakwami, ufuna ukwenza umsebenzi wama ukungitshela ukuthi ngenzeni mina. uSamke then says, okay-ke asenze kanje, tshela mina yikuphi inkinga onayo nami, like what's your problem with me? uSangweni is like, inkinga yami uwena. Uyafika la emzini kababa uzothatha izinto zikama, uthathe umuzi kama, uthathe isitono sakhe, usufuna umzimba uthathe nendoda yakhe. Phezu kwalokho-ke usufuna ukuthatha nomzimba wakhe. uSamke is like, yes, after wonke lamagama owakhulumayo, mina njengamanje ngeke ngize ngiwafake enhlizweni ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ubuhlungu njengamanje. uSangweni is like, iyona nto ozositshela yona, iyona nto ozitshela yona ukuze ulale kahle ebusuku. Yazi nginesiqiniseko sokuthi awukwazi nozibamba ukuthi uphume nje emashidini ulale nendoda yakhe, ulale nendoda kama. At this point, you can see ukuthi uSamke is like, wait a minute. Yes, I've been listening to you, but now you are crossing the line. uSamke is like, wengane, ngizokushaya ngempama ma ubona umlilo, uyezwa? Siyezwana? uSangweni is like, into siyaziyo sonke la. Uma uvule emhlabeni because bekabuhlungu ngenxa yakho. I'm just like, hayibo Sangweni, imagine ihabela ingaka. uSamke then says ukuthi yazini Sangweni, ngibuhlungu ukuthi uDeliwe akasekho, ebengumngani wami. uSangweni is like, abengumngani wakho? Where was ubungani when you decided to sleep nendoda yakhe engekangcwatshwa nokungcwatshwa? I'm just like, what are you talking about, Sangweni? Because I mean, uNokuzana, uSamke and uVuma are currently not together. Hi, Cam. And then that scene just ends like that with uSangweni just walking out on uSamke nje kanjalo. Then we see another scene where Ovelepi, she is in her room, you guys. She is crying and she is playing a voice note. And this voice note is Ovelepi's voice. I guess she was sending it to uDeliwe when uDeliwe kept trying to call him. And Ovelepi was saying, "Ay, awume kancane ma, awume kancane nje. Futhi kani uhlukane nami phansi, ngiyeke." And then yeah, that's where the voice note ends. So I guess Ovelepi is feeling guilty with the chance she had to have, like the chance she had a chance to spend time with her mother on her mother's last days on earth, but she didn't grasp that. And I don't get to why Ovelepi is feeling guilty, because I mean her mother vele siyamazi uDeliwe ukuthi so she shouldn't blame herself. Ovelepi shouldn't blame herself. But anyway, Ovelepi gets up. She goes to a table there. There's a table there. Kunezinto zikaDeliwe, ipinifa yakhe, her charger, her phone, amawaleti, and then Ovelepi takes out the phone and she goes through the phone. I'm now wondering, is there anything that Ovelepi could possibly find amongst those things? Asazi, you guys. Next scene ke kwaDlamini mansion. Sibona uNjengaye benowenzeni, they are walking into the house. uNjengaye is on a phone call. So uNjengaye is like, I thank you so much. Thank you so much. He hangs up the phone. He's like, wenzeni siwinile. Yazi into engijabulisa kakhulu ndodakazi ukuthi wena ekugcineni wenze into right. As he's saying that, uThemba walks into the room. So uNjengaye continues speaking noWenzeni. He's like, lokho kukhombisa ukukhula wenzeni. Wenzeni is like, ngiyabonga baba, angifuni nje ngiphinde ngikuphoxe futhi. And then uNjengaye is like, wozalana. Then they hug one another, and then as he's hugging uWenzeni, he notices ukuthi uThemba's in the room. So uNokuzana-ke, uNjengaye is like, hawu ndodana, ngikuphethela indaba ezimnandi lana. I just spoke to the principal. Ithi-ke iyakuvumela ukuthi ubuye we provincial team. uThemba's like, wait baba, wait, what? And then uNjengaye is like, yes. uThemba's like, there's no ways baba. Kanjani? Then uNjengaye is like, before you get excited, unekheshi lana. UThemba zathi noma yini baba yisho ngizokwenza. Unjengaye zathi noma yini. UThemba zathi noma yini baba. Unjengaye zathi bathi wena-ke fanele ufundise ama-grade 8 i-maths after school. Ukhumbule kodwa ukuthi you are still suspended. UThemba zathi kulungile baba, that's already done, like that's sorted, ngizokwenza nje. Unjengaye is like yeah, ngiyakujabulela mfanami, ubonge-ke nodadewenu lana. And then he's smiling, grinning, waiting for uThemba to hug her or something like that. But unjengaye says nawe-ke wenzeni, you are suspended. UThemba zathi cha baba, okokuqala nje I wouldn't be in this mess if it weren't for uwenzeni, if she didn't sabotage me. And then unjengaye zathi hawu kodwa ndodana. UThemba zathi cha baba, indaba mele ngimbonge for something emosho uyena. No, angeke ngikwenze lokho. And then he just walks out. I agree with uThemba. Why must he thank uwenzeni? And uwenzeni, it's like she's getting off so lightly over something that could have gotten so serious, you guys. I mean, it did get serious. He is suspended. Anyway, guys, next scene ke kwambalenhle usamke she's busy serving customers. Then emnyango kuyena bani unengelosi sees usamke, she's like surprise. Usamke's like wow, uvelaphi kunini hayibo. Unengelosi is like hayi suka. Then they hug one another. Unengelosi is like hayi bengikhumbulile yazi kodwa ke emaqinisweni bengifuna ukuthi ngishawe umoya nje, yazi ukuthi la kubhora kanjani emsinga. Usamke is like hayi ngiyajabula ukuthi mawubhoreka or mawubhora emsinga ucabanga usamke, hlala phansi ngizokulethela into yophuza. Then ulokhuzana unengelosi is like yazi bengithi ngeke ungecele. And then usamke goes to the back, gets drinks, gets cups, and she comes back. Unengelosi then asks usamke, kodwa kunjani kodwa? Usamke zathi bengisathi ngizobuza wena zihamba kanjani izinto. Then unengelosi says yazi ntombi, u5 ungishaye yonke imali, no Ben 10 uvele wadla phansi nje because imali seyiphelile. Usamke just lost kanjalo. Ulokhuzana unengelosi is like hayibo uyangihleka. Then they both laugh. Then unengelosi is like yazi ngifisa ngathi uPhetheni ngabe ufana nawe nje, yena uPhetheni hleze engicasula sonke isikhathi nje. Usamke then says hayibo usenzeni ke manje uPhetheni. Unengelosi then says akanginikanga phela i-top up yami yokuthi ngigcwalisele imali ye-rent. Ucabanga ukuthi ngizolalaphi emgaqweni? Usamke is like hawu kodwa uPhetheni kwabuhlungu ukuzwa lokho. I'm just like the entitlement that unengelosi has. Imagine. So that's why she's back kahle kahle, because I'm sure she plans on making a stop kwaPhetheni to ask for money. So anyway, that scene ends. Wambambo, you guys, we see uMandulo, uSibongile and uVelephi bame ekoneni, kusho ukuthi baletha umzimba endlini, guys. So uVelephi zathi manje ukuphi uSangweni animbonanga. uSibongile then says ukuthi cha kodwa sizomthona. Then uVelephi zathi yazi angikholwa ngempela ukuthi akekho lana. That time kuletha umzimba, guys. They are putting umzimba ekamereni likavuma. Angazi if they're fetching a spirit or what, but they are singing. Usangweni akekho, uKhuzwayo akekho. I'm just like, these people, like really? Next scene ke we see uKhuzwayo kuphi ukaSamke uzidakele uKhuzwayo. So Samke is like Khuzwayo mele sihambe phela, abantu babhizi laphayana bayaxoxa mina angikho. Then uKhuzwayo is like yazi angikholwa ukuthi akasekho emhlabeni. Unengelosi is sitting there drinking with uKhuzwayo, busy entertaining uKhuzwayo. Unengelosi is like ubani loyo? Unonkosikazi wakho, unonkosikazi oshonile. And then uKhuzwayo is like cha udadewethu. Unengelosi is like hayi ke ngiyanwazi lo wosizi, yazi nami ngalahlekelwa yingane yami esencane. Kwakubuhlungu, ngingafuni nomuntu ukuthi azongiduduza, ngingafuni nokubona muntu, kodwa kuzodlula yazi. Then uKhuzwayo is like ngifisa ukuthi lelo langa lize so that lezi inhlungu engizizwayo ziphele nje. Udadewethu, she was everything kumina, yena yedwa nje. uSamke zaKhuzwayo angithi udadewenu bekanabantwana. labantwana kuyafana ukuthi abantwana bakho bayabudinga. Ukhuzwayo then says, ngizobenzani? Nginani mina? Nami nginey'nkinga zami. Unenginos is like, kahle bo, badinga wena. Yabona nje kunje, fanele ukuthi nibambane ngesandla. Akufanele ukuthi ube wedwa unokhuzana while you are going through something like this. Uzofanele ukuthi ugoduke uye ekhaya, goduka Khuzwayo. Usamke then says, Khuzwayo, yazi ukuthi ngeke uphinde uthole ithuba elifana naleli lokuthi uvalelise kudeliwe. Bengicela ukuthi sihambe ngiyacela siyahamba ngithi. And then Khuzwayo is like, yeah, and then the scene just ends like that. Oh guys, kuyagowisho kwambambo. Ayibo kwambambo, they never get a rest, you guys. But let's park it right there because it seems like tomorrow's episode or tonight's episode is going to be the actual funeral. And let's see how that goes, you guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.